Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the content. Open Google Slides and add a title plus one question slide per item. Once done, type the question and 3-4 answer choices and mark the correct answer in speaker notes so you don't forget. Make sure to choose whether you'll use built-in links or an add-on for scoring. This step sets the structure. Without clear questions and answers, you can't build reliable navigation or feedback, so be precise now. Now focus on linking answers to feedback slides. Add shapes or text boxes over each option and label them A, B, C, D so users know their choices. Once done, right-click and choose Link. Make sure to link the correct answer to a dedicated correct slide and incorrect ones to a try again slide. You can create a scoring overview slide that increments manually or with an add-on. This method gives immediate feedback and keeps learners engaged. Finish by playing the slideshow from the start and test every link and feedback path. Make sure to click each answer option yourself so you see correct and try again behavior. Adjust wording or transition timing as needed. If you used an add-on for scoring, reauthorize and run a mock attempt to confirm totals. If something goes wrong, clear your browser cache or reauthorize the add-on and then retest. This fixes most permission or caching issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.